Have you ever watched a video and you've seen a video inside of a video? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. For this demonstration, I will be using the video editing software iMovie. So you're going to select your main video and import it to iMovie. Okay, so this is the main video that I'm going to be using. And you're going to select the clip that you want over your main video. Basically overlay it. Okay, so this is the second clip on top of the main video. And if I were you, I would increase the volume by a little bit. Okay, so when you have both footages in your timeline, you're going to click the top one that you want inside your main video. And you're going to click this square option right here, Video Overlay Settings. Select the menu option, Picture in Picture. Okay. So you can adjust the size. And for this purpose, I'm going to be pitting it into the left side of the video, like bottom left. Alright. And you can drag it anywhere you want, but yeah. And this is how the video would look. Okay, so this is an example video. As you can see, there is a video of cows that I took. Like, this is like some sample footage that I took from my phone. And yeah, you could drag the video and video anywhere that you want. So for example, I'm just gonna put it on the left side of the screen, but it's up to you. You could use any kind of footage. You don't have to use a video of yourself, but for video demonstration purposes, I'm gonna use a video of me recording myself, and I'm gonna put it in the left side of the screen. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically easy to do, and this will be like